welcome to A Place Together, and formerly known as Amber Polk Interiors. It's been a minute since I've been here. I think just focusing on one thing solely was getting a little overwhelming, and I could not keep up financially or motivationally or physically. All the things I could not keep up. My dog is, if y'all have ever been to this channel, my two Goldens kind of have control of the house. They do what they want, and I'm just here for the ride. So if you see me looking down at a list, it's because I want to make sure that I cover everything that. From now on, this is going to be more vlog style. It's the only way I'm going to be able to keep up with the pace and have a full-time job, have as many children and grandchildren as we have, and to be able to do it. So hopefully you still enjoy the channel, or even more than what you did when it was solely just doing reveals, because guys, that's exhausting. It's expensive and it's exhausting. Murphy, come here. This year, for 2025, I really want to get my health in order. I've been trying very hard and changing a lot of things. My diet has gotten so restricted, guys. It's kind of crazy, but hopefully we start seeing improvements in my health in major ways this year. I'm affirming it. I'm going to be healthy and feel better and be able to do things. I've been sewing a lot. Christmas just happened, and I made all my kids something, and I think they like it. If not, they didn't tell me, but I would have liked it. So, but I'll show you on one of the kids, or I'll show you some of the things I made. I did make, which I'm not done with this. They'll get these next year because there's 6 of them, and I've only finished 2, but I made 2 stockings. I don't know if you see that fabric. It's so cute. And I made this one. But I'm going to make one for every one of them. A different one where they all have their own pattern. And so there's that. And then for my daughter, her 3-year-old is really, and her 7-year-old, but her 3-year-old little girl, Lemon, great name, is really into cooking lately. So I decided to make them all a cooking set. So I made them this, which is a casserole or cookie sheet hot pad. It's really cute, very easy to make. You can probably find that anywhere, but this is how I have it bundled, like this. But then I made Lemon or Liam, whichever one, but I made it for Lemon, and then I found out Liam likes to cook too, but I made her a little easy oven mitt. Crinkly, can you hear the crinkle? Okay. Then I made just a hot pad to go with it, and I made my daughter an oven mitt to go with that too. So they got a whole set here, and I didn't finish these yet, so this is the reason why she doesn't have this yet. And her kids were all sick, so they missed Christmas. But I'm making 2 bowl koozies to match, and hopefully I can put up in the thing to show you what it'll look like after. But bowl cozies are really fun, and I have some that were made for us that I absolutely love, and we use them all the time. We use them for ice cream, we use them for soups, we use them for any time we don't want to get our hands too hot or too cold. So they're very convenient, and we love them, and I would make them if I were you, if that's something you're interested in. Super easy. Okay, which to you it doesn't matter if it's a weekend or not, but I am taking my granddaughter Harper tomorrow, my oldest granddaughter. She and I are going to go watch the Nutcracker. And I'm so excited to show her the Nutcracker and to be the person to experience that with her. She's 7, and I bought her a real cute fancy dress and some tights, and I'm gonna wear tights and something cute, and we're just gonna get all dolled up and go watch it. And I think she's gonna be mesmerized because it is magical. Last time I watched it, I was pregnant with my daughter, which she is now 24 years old. So that's how long it's been since I watched it, and I did not get the chance. I never had the money to take my daughter. So to be able to take my granddaughter is pretty fantastic, and I'm very excited for it. And I did take my daughter to go watch the Wizard of Oz ballet, and that was really good. We kind of did the same thing that me and Harper are doing, getting dressed up and going to dinner, and just a wonderful night to remember. But I know at least for me, it's going to be something I'll remember forever. Hopefully it will be for her too, because I love creating memories for my kids and my grandkids. That's very important to me, that they could think back and remember the time that something really cool happened in their life and that I was a part of it. So, let's see. Got some earrings I made myself, because it's actually not Christmas yet on the actual Christmas, but we did our Christmas early. So, Christmas Day, I'm probably going to take my tree down. But you won't be seeing this till probably end of this year or New Year's Day. The next thing is a book I have been listening to. Been struggling a lot with books. Like, nothing is catching... different times I like to read different types of books, and right now nothing has been catching my interest, and I'll start something. Even if it's good, it's not something I can keep reading. But I've started listening to Emily Henry's Book Lover on Audible, and I'll put up a little thing somewhere. And it is actually really cute. It's funny, and I love funny, and it's just lighthearted enough to make it where I don't feel like I've got to absorb any of it. It's just enjoyable, and I'm having a lot of fun, and I'll probably read another one of her books just for when I need just a break from anything heavy. And she's apparently known for her beach reads, so I like to read beach reads when it's not beach time. I know it's strange, but I don't need reality if I have it there at the time. I don't want to read about a beach if I'm at a beach. I want to read about a beach when it's the middle of winter and it's cold outside. So I'm weird that way. Most people are opposite. To each their own. But if you want to, I am recommending this book. It is a romance. It does have language, but it's really cute. So if you want to listen to something lighthearted, there you go. I also made a custom tablecloth, and that I wrote a blog post about, and if you want to learn how to do it, it's pretty simple, but Mimsy & Co., best place to go. But this is the fabric. It's really cute, just red and pink, and it has ruffles all around the edge, and I love it. But I took it off because all the kids are going to be here for Christmas. And it looks really good, and I love it. And I have a paint sample for the paint that I'm going to do upstairs, and hopefully this will look good, but I do think I'm going to go darker. The room that is going to get this I want it to be pink. And that it is such a slight pink. I think it could handle more pink. So... dogs are ringing the doorbell again. But I want to put this up on the wall probably tonight and see what I think. But I do already think that I'm going to go get more samples that have more pink in it. I'm tired, guys. That's probably not interesting. Want to see a cute baby picture of me? Look how cute I was. And I was so bald, my mom had to put tape. Scotch tape, guys. Scotch tape. And there's a picture of my husband. He's so cute. Oh, sweet baby. But, okay, well, that is all for now. I will be back. in just a second. Okay, Harper.
What?
We're about to go into your first ever ballet. We're going to go watch the Nutcracker. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. It's going to be really cool. I love you.
I love you too.
You look beautiful.
Thanks. Yeah. Hey.
Now we're inside.
Yeah.
She got some popcorn and some water. We're waiting for the doors to open. Okay, we got home and we hurriedly got changed. So
Hey, now make it
we
hot
just
cocoa.
remembered that we wanted to give a little review. Harper, how was your first ballet?
The best ever. I loved it. There was a part where she was screaming and her toys came alive, and there was these 5 or 4-year-old little kids dancing, and they were in little tiny sheep costumes. In the 5th one, there was like 4 that were white, and then the 5th one was brown. He was the clumsiest one, and it was hilarious.
It's a little black sheep. Yeah, it was really cute.
Yeah, it was more like a brown sheep.
Yeah, but it was fun. It was a little long for a 7-year-old, a little long for a 46-year-old, but it was really good. Glad we went. And now she's drinking hot cocoa, and we're gonna watch a movie, and we're gonna go to bed. This is the room that is about to get started. It is a huge room with slanted ceilings. The full-size couch that used to be in the living room, and I don't like it up here, but it's what we have for now. But it is kind of a mess. I haven't done anything. Tried some paint colors. This is the same blue that was in here when we moved in. The entire house was blue. We just had guests, so the bed's not made. But this is what it looks like. I took everything off the walls. And this is with the light on. This room stays pretty dark in the morning because this is a north side window, and that is a west facing window. So anytime in the afternoon, this room stays really bright, but mornings it's really dim. And the awkward things about this room, there's only one light, which that's old and horrible, but where we live, we have to have ceiling fans in, a lot of spaces. But lots of plans for this room. This TV is going to be hung. This chaise lounge is going to be gone. TV's going up here. Don't look at that. That looks terrible. These bedrooms have a door that separates them. They're adjoining rooms. I love it. And it gets so hot and cold up here that when the ventilation or the heat and air is on, you have to leave them open because you won't get it cooled off or warmed up. Right now I'm upstairs in the queen's bedroom. and that's what we call it. It's the queen's bedroom because it has the queen size bed in it. And we have gotten everything out. My husband and I have moved everything out last night. So it's ready for them to come in and start painting, and I cannot wait to get started on this room. I have had this planned on Millinote for many months. So I'll show you, I'll do a little clip of the Millinote mood board that I have on it, but it's pretty fantastic, I think, and I'm a little nervous. It's a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm excited to do it, and I'm excited to show y'all. And anyway, that's going to be it for this week. So I hope you're here. Thank you for coming along with us this weekend.